That's 8, that's 2 red, that's 3 red, that's 4 blue, that's 5 blue. Winner for this bout, ang pangsit. Winner, bout number 5, Blue Acres, 48 kilograms. From the blue side, Medaba ID. City of Davao. Next, bout number 6, Blue Acres, 48 kilograms. From the red side, Caballero, Luisi, City of Pasig.
Ayun, Gwen.
From the blue side, Patongal, Chicken Cute, Davao del Norte. Not from Red Creek. Chini Turda.
Sa'yo, Gwen. Ay, minus. Dire-diretso. Slowly lang. Under time.
Round 1.
Ay, under time si Gwen.
This guy,